Why I stopped buying domains and spending money on websites while avoiding the big SSL scam. Hi, it's Ziggy Nettles. It's the year 2025, rolling into 2026. And this marks the new approach to online income without wasting money on domains, hosting services, paywalls, funnels, and SSL certs. What a scam. What you are about to learn will show you just how easy it is to set up an online business without the typical online nonsense. Some enterprising entrepreneurs have made it possible for regular folks like us to earn real money online. I believe that most people who come online to earn an income really don't want to run a business. They just want a few thousand extra dollars each month to get a nicer car, upgrade their living arrangement, or pay off some bills. If that is you, email me for details or copy and paste the URL at the top of this message. Meanwhile, let me get on my soapbox about these SSL certificates, which in my opinion is a complete scam. First, what is an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate, Secure Sockets Layer Certificate, is a digital file that verifies a website's identity and enables an encrypted connection between a user's browser and the website server. In simple terms, it's like a digital padlock that keeps data safe when someone visits a website, or so they say. In fact, just a few years ago, your SSL cert was included when you purchase a domain. Now, some domain providers are charging up to hundreds of dollars a year to own one. Even if you purchase a domain name to redirect it, they are still trying to hit you up for SSL fees. Let me show you how to get around all of this nonsense. If you want to learn where the money is hiding, email me for details or copy and paste the URL at the top of this message.